Hello everyone. We have developed another very complicated chatbot that have been using the diagonal flow and the OpenAI, and the bot actually will be integrated with your website. Once your customer land into the website, it will send the greeting message and integrated with the diagonal flow. And we have the DB on the backend. We'll have the product details, once the customer want to ask some question, it will get the data from the DB and send it to the customer. And this will ask to the customer you want to register or yes or no if the customer want to register into the product, and it will ask the phone number and send the SMS for the verification, and also will send the email if person want to give the emails and send the voice email as well. And after that, it will notify the emails it's valid or invalid and send emails, and after that it will stop. So these all purpose of this chatbot to get the information about your product and send the detail to the customer, and let's suppose you want to ask some questions about your product, and it will get the data from the DB and send the detail to the customer so that you can retain the customer, and it will actually will be cost effective for your team, and it will be very fast. And because we have implemented the diagonal flow that specials for the financial system.